In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide apps in Google Play Store. Let's start with the honest truth so you don't waste time looking for a button that doesn't exist. The Google Play Store doesn't offer a built-in way to hide apps, either from your installed list or your library. There isn't a hide app feature inside the Play Store itself. That said, depending on what you're trying to achieve, there are a few practical workarounds that can help you keep certain apps out of sight. The most common approach is to hide apps from your phone's home screen and app drawer. Some Android brands include this right in their launcher. On devices from manufacturers like Samsung, Xiaomi, or Oppo, open your home screen settings, look for an option called Hide Apps, then select the apps you want to conceal and confirm. This removes them from the app drawer so they won't appear when someone scrolls through your apps. The apps remain installed, and you can unhide them later by going back to the same menu. Names can vary slightly by brand or software version, so if you don't see the exact wording, check similar options in your home screen or launcher settings. Another built-in method, especially for pre-installed apps you don't use, is to disable them. Go to Settings, Open Apps, select the app, and choose Disable. Disabling removes the app from your home screen and app drawer, stops it from running, and hides it from casual view. Keep in mind that disabled apps can't be used until you enable them again, and some system apps can't be disabled. If a feature relies on that app, disabling it might affect functionality. If your goal is to reduce what shows up in the Play Store itself, you can tidy up traces, though you can't fully hide your history. Start by clearing your Play Store search history. Open the Play Store, tap your profile, go to Settings, and clear search history. This removes previous search terms from suggestions. You can also slim down what appears under your installed list by uninstalling apps you don't want displayed. Head to Manage Apps and Device, then Manage, and uninstall the apps you'd rather not keep on the device. Just remember, Play Store still maintains records of apps tied to your account, so total invisibility isn't possible. The key takeaway is simple. The Play Store has no true hide feature. You can, however, hide apps from your home screen or app drawer, clear your Play Store search history, and, if you choose to explore third-party tools, proceed carefully and review permissions and reliability before using them.